If you want to translate something with the camera on your Google Pixel 11, what you can do is you can open the Translate app. So if you open the app drawer, you should be able to find Translate. Then over here in Translate, we can find Camera. This is pretty much Google Lens. And in here, we can point at a text, any text whatsoever in a foreign language. Over here, you can also switch the source language and the target language that should be used. And you don't even have to take the picture, although you can, of course. If you don't want to keep holding your phone over the text, then you can just take the picture and then the text is going to be translated. So for example, over here, I have this little document, which let's say I wanted to translate. And then we should be able to, let me actually switch the language. There's also the text language option, which is also quite useful if you don't want to look for the specific language or if you don't know the source language. And as you can see, the text is translated. I can also take the picture and then the text is going to be translated, so I don't have to hover my phone now over this text. You can also switch between the original view and the translated version. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.